What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, I got me a mic from BOYA. It's called the BOYA Magic. Now, I saw this one on YouTube. Quite a bit of creators out there are using this mic. So I was like, what is this thing? Anyway, I contacted them, asked them to send me this mic, and here it is today. So anyway, they actually also sent me a little tripod to go along with it as well. We're going to test out the quality of this mic. It is sent to me from BOYA. I did not, this is not a sponsorship or anything like that. They just send me a sample just for me to test it out. All right. So anyway, we're going to unbox this thing. I'm going to test it with my camera up here. So I'm going to plug that in, and then I want to let you guys hear the sound quality from this thing, straight out of this thing. All right, let's do it. Obviously, you're looking at this thing because the mic looks very, very interesting, right? I mean, I've never seen one where they have multiple capsules inside of a boom mic. So anyway, nice bag, by the way. I love this bag. It's very nice. Got some instruction booklets. Got the dead cat, which is very helpful for wind resistance. I always use a dead cat when I'm outside shooting. 3.5 millimeter USB-C to USB-C cord. Then we got USB-A to USB-C. Oh, well, actually, there's some more accessory in here. Tons of accessory, by the way. We will go through those in a second. Nice bag, once again. Really good bag. So here's the mic right here. It's no bigger than my Rode mic, which this is the one that I use right here. I also have another mic from another company called Mobile, and it's about this size right here. This is my smallest on-camera mic that I'm using. Obviously, the dead cat is huge. It does have a windscreen right here, so you may not have to use this big old dead cat in the box. There is also a transmitter here that you can attach to your camera. Now, they do have some dead cats right here, so we'll take a look at that in a second. That's for the clip-on mic. Oh, wow, it's nice. They actually come with a lightning adapter as well, for folks like me that's still have some older iPhones. So on this end right here is a magnetic USB-C. So you got yourself lightning and USB-C. It's just a magnet, by the way. It's not a plug-in at all. And then when you take this out, the screen out, the entire thing reveals a cool little. This is just cool looking right here. By the way, there's some heft to this mic, by the way. It felt like it's pretty solid. Let's take a look at this mini mic real quick. You still got that clip here. You can clip on your shirt, or it's magnetic. So here's a little chip, magnetic chip right here. Very strong magnet, by the way. So this right here on the shotgun mic is a button, and this right here is also a button. On the back of the mic, you got a little tripod mount right here, and also USB-C to charge this up. Let's go ahead and do that. And you see there's light that pops up there. Tells me how much battery power I still have. Okay, so I have it plugged into my phone right here. You see that there's two lights right here. So one of them is solid, the other one's still blinking. And what that means is that this is connected now. See how it's solid, it's not blinking anymore. All right, folks, so I'm outside testing this mic out for you guys. Now, I have it on my mirrorless camera right now with the Sony FX30. I have it plugged straight into my camera right now. So I'm gonna walk back and see if the range is good. I mean, my fence is right over there. So I wanna go ahead and walk and talk at the same time so that you guys can kind of see or hear, I guess, what this sounds like. Now, one thing is that my back is actually turned, right? And so a lot of time the signal isn't as good when my back's turned. Now I'm turned towards you now, and I guess it's pretty good now, right? Now I'm turning back over here, testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yep. So yeah, that's the sound quality right there. Okay, so next up, what I want to do is, I'm pretty sure you guys are hearing a lot of the background noise, which is my water fountain that is going on back here. I want to turn on the noise cancellation on this. So right now, you see this is blue right here. You see that? I want to press this button, and now it should be green. Yeah, you see that it's green. All right.
So right now it's green. So you should not actually hear the water fountain back there at all. All right, now I'm going to walk back here and let's do that test as well. See if it's the same when you first heard it without the noise cancellation. So right now, yeah, noise cancellation. My back is still turned. So I'm talking, testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Turning back to you, testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the range right there. I'm not sure if it's coming through, but that's pretty far over there. All right. So yeah, this is noise cancellation. You shouldn't be able to hear the water fountain that much. Shouldn't be. Okay, so next thing, obviously this is the most important one because a lot of you guys are probably thinking about this, right? So this is powered on right now. I'm going to go ahead and take this thing off. Okay, and then we're going to take the capsule out. And now as soon as I take the capsule out, this thing right here turned off, the shotgun turned off, and now I'm actually talking into the capsule. And right here you can see that it's green. See that? Yeah, so right now it's green. I want to put the capsule down. And now I'm just going to talk into the mini mic right here. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to go and walk back here again with this mini mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Gonna go back to you. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. So right there. That is the tiny little capsule right here that I'm talking into. And honestly, right now, if I put this thing back on, the entire thing is going to shut off. Okay, so let's do that. Oops. So now I should be back online again. And put this back on. There's not a lot of wind out here, so I really can't do a little wind test for you guys, but I think this is good enough. Yeah, so anyway, there you go. That's the BOYA Magic right there. And little bitty mic, shotgun mic, along with some USB-C, lightning. I mean, it really has taken care of everything that you need for content creation, guys. That's how incredible this thing is. And my gosh, that, I think Kakata is making a lot of noise back here. I'm not sure you can hear it or not. I think you can hear it. You should be able to hear it. It's very loud. So anyway, that's it right there. That's the BOYA Magic right there. I hope you guys find this one useful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.